There are people who have a circle of friends, and no one listens to them, just because of how the person is usually speaking. Such people have a very weird style to communicate. It may be of such a tone that bores the people around and in return results in others not to give you any importance or respect. To earn respect, there are a few ways, and that is to speak wisely. It is not only going to hold the attention and interest of others but is also going to attract others, for the way you speak can be so inspiring. This may also result in others copying you, since they will be very fascinated and attracted towards you for your uniqueness. And so, they wish to become like you, and they want to speak like you. That is a sign that they respect and honor you because you have become wise in speaking for them, as a matter of fact. This worked in my way as a teacher, and I have gained respect and honor among very large number of students and teachers that comprises of a very few who I know, and so many of those whom I don't know. What they do, are all respect, honor and ask for solutions to their problems. Which at this level, you become wise enough to help them out? To achieve this, you have to take care of the following steps in your communication. You should have command on language. Try to act wisely even if you are not wise. Use good vocabulary. Speak with attitude. Rhythm in speaking must be there. It is not necessary to have an eye contact. Act intelligently. Act as an experienced person. Speak very nicely. Don't be angry. Don't give options. Observe things as much as possible. Speak with the experience of your observation. And you will achieve wisdom at the end. Following all the above mentioned is going to improve your personality, and is no doubt going to make you look wise enough. If you speak in a wise way, people will follow you, and honor you, as well as respect you. In this way you also have an opportunity to sell yourself. You can sell yourself as expensive as you may demand just because of the way you speak is very wise. If you like my videos, please click the like button. And subscribe my channel. Have a great day.